Exceptional. It was perfect for my daughter and I. Love the music they played during check-in, and also when we arrived in our room they had great jazz music which was very calming after a long day of traveling. It definitely smaller than US hotel. The price was great for what we need, which was sleeping and showering. Best accommodation, no doubt that this will be one of my favorite hotel. Exceptional, great location, white heart emoji. They also provide pastries and coffee in the morning. Amazing, amazing, 5 stars. Staff are very friendly and helpful. They helped us to book a restaurant by phone, as we can't speak Japanese. So many things I love in this hotel. How I love Agora Ginza Hotel. Pros. 1. Location is super nice. MRT, Konbini, Yoshinoya, for quick delicious breakfast. Tsukiji is 10 minutes walk. Heavenly sashimis. Uniqlo and Gu only 5 minutes walk. Supa Shukoi IE. 2. The room is modern. Toilet is in a separated room with the shower. It was Toto Neorist, so comfy and warm while letting the big boys go. Wow. The shower is so good. Super relaxing shower with hot water in winter after a long walk. The bed was huge, 240 by 200 cm for deluxe king. The ambient lighting was also nice to set the mood in the room. 3. The staffs were so helpful and friendly. They provide free drinks all day in the lobby. Infused water and green tea. Breads are served in the morning. Cons, none. I'm having a hard time to find a bad things in this hotel. I just think it's so perfect. I highly recommend this hotel for travelers who want to stay in Ginza area. Thank you Agora Ginza for making our holiday memorable. Warm place with convenient location. This is my second time staying at this hotel with my fiancé. Since they knew we were here specifically for our pre-wedding photo shoot, they thoughtfully prepared a leg massager in our room for after the shoot. The staff is truly warm and considerate. Plus, the location is incredibly convenient. Highly recommend it to everyone. Amazing service with best team. This is my second time staying at this hotel with my fiancé. Since they knew we were here specifically for our pre-wedding photo shoot, they thoughtfully prepared a leg massager in our room for after the shoot. The staff is truly warm and considerate. Plus, the location is incredibly convenient. Highly recommend it to everyone.